Pause the video and try to solve it. Let S be a set of 5-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Using each digit exactly once, repetition is not allowed, such that exactly 2 odd positions are occupied by odd digits. That means we have a 5-digit number. We have 1, 2, 3 odd digit position, which should be occupied by the odd digits given to us are 1, 3, 5, and even digits are 2, 4. Exactly 2 odd position out of these 3, only 2 position would be occupied by odd digit, otherwise the third odd position would be occupied by an even digit. What is the sum of the digits in the rightmost position of the numbers in set S? Okay, we need to find the sum of digits in this position for all the numbers which can be formed using this information. So let's concentrate on the last digit of these numbers. Suppose let me write this number as, what if the unit place is occupied by 1? That means out of these two positions, in only one of the position, one of the odd digit would be placed. Let us place one odd digit in 100th position. So out of remaining 3 and 5, I can put anyone here, and for that I have two choices, 2C1. Now, the first odd position would be taken up by any one of these even digits only. So let us put one even digit here. Now the rest 2 position can be occupied by the remaining 2 digits in 2p 2 ways. So if last digit is 1, number of numbers which can be formed using the given restriction are 2c1 into 2c1 into 2p2. That is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now again, if we have 1 at the end, this position, the first odd position can be filled up by any one of these odd digits in 2c1 way again, and similarly the third odd position would be filled up by any one of the even digit in 2c1 ways, and the remaining 2 places would be filled up by the remaining 2 digits in 2p2 ways. So again we will have 2c1 into 2c1 into 2p2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 more numbers which are ending with 1. That means what? There are 16 numbers which are ending with 1. Similarly, there would be 16 numbers which are ending with 3, 16 numbers which are ending with 5. So this is case 1. Now pick up case 2, where the last position for 5, this last unit position is taken up by any one of these even number. Suppose 2 is here. That means we are left with 2 odd position now, and on these 2 odd position only these odd digits would be placed, isn't it? Now in how many ways we can do that? 3p 2 ways. Now the remaining 2 digits would be occupied in these 2 places in 2p 2 ways. So if a number ends with 2, how many numbers we would be having which follows the given restriction? 3p2 is 3 into 2 6, and 2p2 is 2, that is 12 ways. So we will have 12 numbers which ends with 2. Similarly, let me write this first. We will have 12 numbers ending with 2. Similarly, we will have 12 numbers which are ending with 4. Okay, so what is the sum of digits in the rightmost position of S? Is nothing but these many digits we need to add up. So sum would be from case 1 what we have 16 into 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 16 into 9, 144. And from case 2 we have 12 into 2 plus 4, that is 12 into 6, that is 72. So the total would be 144 plus 72, 216. Very popular with CAT examination. Do solve these kind of problems. If they are asking you a question from permutation combination, there are high chances that those would be from digits and arrangement of digits. Thank you for participating. I'll see you soon.